Stephen, and it's a race to the finish line. Ah, Diesel 10 won and broke the finish line. Okay, here we are at the Train Lab 500 weekend, and it's Diesel 10 against Streamlined Thomas.
3, set, go!
And they're off. And look at that. Streamlined Thomas is going to school Diesel 10. My goodness, Diesel 10's looking pretty slow over there. But you never know. He's got a trick up his sleeve somewhere, so you keep your eye on Diesel 10. Oh, looks like there might be neck and neck over here.
Neck and neck.
Oh, look at that. Here they are. They're coming around the backside. And they cross, and look, Diesel 10 waves his claw. Streamlined James looks like he's in the lead over here. Diesel 10 and his naughty little... Oh, look at that. He's got his super booster on. It's going to be neck and neck. Look at that. Oh! Oh, Diesel 10 won. Something smells fishy to me.
Yeah.
Does it smell fishy?
Yeah.
I think Diesel 10 was naughty and won by using nefarious techniques.
Next.
I think we need a re-race. Okay, here we go. It's Percy.
Ready,
Racing Percy.
set,
Diesel 10.
Diesel, go!
Oh, Diesel 10's claw is stuck in the gate. Oh my goodness, what a penalty setback that was. Maybe he needs to be turbocharged, but wait. Percy looks like he's off the track.
But that Diesel 10 puts on his speed booster.
Oh, he's got his speed booster on. They're coming around. He better hurry up or he's going to have a wreck. Wow, it was centimeters to spare. And Diesel 10 has got his booster on there, and Percy is off the rails. Quick, get the technician teams over here to help him turn him back on. And Percy's got lost somewhere in Diesel 10's dust. Oh! Diesel 10 still won, even though at the last second, Percy turned on the massive dual header Chem Tools blowers.
Ready, steady, go!
Oh, it's a re-race again. Oh, Percy's going way too fast. Can't keep on the tracks. I think Diesel 10 is Mr. Steady. Oh, no. Diesel 10 says it's turbo boost time for him too. And he's putting on the turbo boost. It's going to be double turbo boosting. It's a race to see who's got the biggest, baddest turbo booster in train history. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, they both won. Look at that. It's a double race win. Yeah. Wait a minute. Am I seeing double?
Yeah.
I am seeing double. 2 Diesel 10s. This is double trouble, isn't it?
Double trouble.
The most exciting moment ever. It's Diesel 10 against Diesel 10. Diesel 10, Diesel 10, double D. It looks double naughty. And here they are, folks. They're stacked up against.
Ready, steady, go!
Okay, and Diesel 10 is in the lead, but Diesel 10 is coming up right behind it. Diesel 10 is now passing Diesel 10. Diesel 10 is slowly on the backside, but Diesel 10 is going faster. Oh, Diesel 10 and Diesel 10 met. I wonder if that's going to create some singularity issue here. They're both on the stadium, and it's a race to the finish line. Oh, Diesel 10 won and broke the finish line. Can Diesel 10, the second Diesel 10 come in? Yes, it's Diesel 10 and Diesel 10.
Let's have that race again.
Whew. My goodness.
Let's get Diesel.
I was having trouble figuring out which one Diesel 10 was. There's too many Diesel 10s. Okay, let's do it. Diesel 10 against Diesel 10. No speed boosting, no cheating, no funny business, no silly buggers. Okay, ready?
Ready, steady, go.
Go! Oh, and they're off. And we're watching both Diesel 10s like a hawk. Harold is coming in just to make sure there's no funny business here. And they look like they're coming on the backside, neck and neck. Here we are, Diesel 10 and Diesel 10. Harold's keeping a very close eye on both of them just to make sure. Oh, and Diesel 10 better hurry up or they're going to have a collision right here. Oh, it's going to be so close. Oh, they just kissed right at that little intersection here. Here they are. They're going back over the bridge over troubled waters. And Harold's in to look to see, just to make sure there's nothing silly buggers going on. Here we are. And it's Diesel 10 and Diesel 10. Diesel 10 is gonna win. And Diesel 10 came in second. By Encore, we have Rocket Stephen, Runaway Stephen, and Diesel 10. Look at that. Look at the determination on their faces. They are ready. Are you ready, Trackmaster?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Go.
Go. Oh, Diesel 10. So that's
Diesel 10 decided
okay. Oh, he's caught up with him. Oh, no, it's a turbo boost. This is the boost of silly buggers. It's the boost against the boost. Oh, they barely made it across at the hazardous intersection. And Rocket Stephen has turned on his rocket. Oh no, and it's gonna be. They both won and tore up the finish line. That is the epic crash of racing history. And that's it, folks, today from the Train Lab 500. My name is Howard Cosell, and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.